Hi friends, in this video I'm going to discuss some basic Linux commands. So this is my first video. I'll be uploading more videos. So I'm in a Linux terminal, you can see, and this is mkd mixture. So here mkd is the username and mixture is the machine name, and you can see $sign. Okay, there is a hash sign also. I'll discuss. If you want to log in as a root user, what you need to type sudo su then hyphen, and you can see it is changed to hash sign. Okay, and then you want to know who am I. You can see you are logging as a root. This dollar is changed to hash. Okay, then another things you want to know, where you are, which folder, which directory you are. The command is present working directory. Okay, this is a very important command. You need to know present working directory. You need to type again and again if you are working in production environment. Okay, and then another important commands to know the machine name. So if you want to know the machine name, you can either type hostname and hostname -f. If you type hostname -f, then it will be coming fully qualified domain name. Okay, if you want to know the IP address, so you need to type IPADD. Okay, you can see this is the IP address I am using. So if you want to like do putty or something, then you can use this IP. I want to clean this screen, then what you need to type, you need to clear. You need to type clear and then hit enter. You can see it is clear. Okay, if I want to know the version of this machine, now I am using Ubuntu machine and I want to know the version. Command is lsp-release then -a. You can see I'm using Ubuntu 22.04 LTS. Okay, this is a command you need to enter to know the version of your machine. If you are using Red Hat or CentOS, then the command will be different. Now if you want to list a directory or subfolder, etc., then what the command you need to type, you need to type ls. Okay, ls meaning list directory. You can see these are the subfolder under in the root directory. Okay, so these are the subfolder under this root directory. So if I want to list it, then along with the ls I need to type option -l. Okay, so there is a lot of option to use along with this ls. So what you can do, you can go man ls. Okay, and then you can find this option. Okay, H is for human readable, and you can see L for listing format. Okay, and you can use one by one. Let me close it and let me use ls with list. Okay, since when I am typing only ls, you can see this is the output. Okay, now let me type ls-l, small l. Okay, let us see the output. You can see it is in the list. You can see it is in the list. Okay, and there is some hidden directory. If you want to know the hidden directory, what is the command you need to know? You need to type ls-la. Okay, so along with l you need to type a. You can see the output. You can see this is the hidden directory. Okay, the dot directory is a hidden directory. So the next command is, you can see there's some space. Okay, and the size is in like millions. You don't know how to read that. You need to know in a human readable format. What you need to type, ls-lah. Okay, h meaning you need to type H meaning human readable. You can see now it is changed to 3.3 GB. Okay, and earlier you can see it was something like this, and now you can see 3.3 GB. Okay, so let me clear it again. In the Linux, to change the directory you need to type cd. Okay, cd then directory name. So let me show where I am. I am in home and then mkd. So I need to go to root. Okay, so what I need to type, I need to type cd then slash then root. You can see where I am in root. Again I need to go to some folder in root. Let me some folder in the root. Let me show. I want to go to this etc folder. Okay, so how I will go, cd and then slash then etc. Okay, let me ls it. You can see this is the listing under root and then etc. Okay, then I want to go another folder called ssh. Then cd I need to go ssh. I need to check where I am in etc and then ssh. Okay, let me clean it. So let me show where I am in etc and then ssh. So the cd command is to change the directory. Let me go again to mkd. Then I need to type cd home then mkd. Okay, let me show the directory where I am, cd home and then mkd. Okay, let me go again to if I want to go, you can see I am in home directory of mkd user. If I want to go back to this directory where I was earlier, etc then sh. So what I need to type, I need to type cd then this hyphen. Okay, let me go present working directory. You can see etc then ssh. Again I need to go to that home and mkd. So what I need to type cd then, you can see where I am in home and mkd. Now I want to like come back from one step back. I want to come back to home. Then what I need to type cd then dot dot. You can see where I am in home folder. Okay, so let me jump to etc then ssh, and I want to go back from ssh to etc. What I need to type, I need to type cd and then space dot dot. Okay, let me show you where I am in etc folder. If I want to go back again to ssh, then I need to type cd then this. Okay, you can see where I am. So let me clear it and show where I am. So if I want to go to the root home folder, okay, what I need to type cd then I have to type this. Okay, this is called tilde. I have to type cd and then tilde. Now check where I am in the root. Okay, so this is how you can jump from here and there. You need to know cd then cd hyphen and then cd and then this tilde character. So this is the main, and another things you need to know cd dot dot to come back from the previous directory. Okay, so this is my first video. In the next video I'm going to discuss more basic commands one by one. Thank you.